What's the provision relating to determination of place of supply except the goods imported or exported from India in the case of domestic sales? So, domestic sales, place of supply. In the case of domestic sales, except import and export of India. Place of supply except of goods imported or exported from India, that is governed under Section 10 IGST Act. General provision determining the place of supply of goods and domestic transactions, Section 10 1 of IGST Act. Place of supply, other than the supply of goods imported or into or exported from India, shall be under a supply involves movement of goods, whether by supplier or by recipient or by any other person. The place of supply of such goods shall be location of the goods at the time in which movement of goods terminates for delivery to recipient. So where does the goods terminate? Example, I was sending goods from Andhra to Kerala. I'm sending goods through one supplier, but the goods is been sent given to transporter, and the supplier it's been supplied to supplier in Kerala. So recipient is Kerala through a transporter. So recipient is not the transporter. Recipient is Kerala person. When a goods are delivered by a supplier to a recipient, any other person or direction of third person, whether acting as an agent or otherwise, before during the moment of goods, either by way of transfer of documents or title of the goods or otherwise, it shall be deemed to be that said third person has been received the goods and the place of supply of such goods shall be principal place of business of such person. So in this case, what is it? So delivery taken place by the and its delivery is taken place, but at the direction of the third person, it's been supplied to other person. I'm in Kerala, but I'm asking the goods to delivered in Karnataka. So now the goods has been delivered in Karnataka, but the registered person is a Kerala. I'm the person responsible. The supply of service is to Kerala rather than Karnataka. Where the supply does not involve movement of goods, whereby the supplier or recipient, the place of supply shall be location of such goods at the time of delivery to the recipient. Payment is received now, supply is done later. So when it is supplied, then only we can be considered as supply. Other than that, it is not the time. It's not supply until it is delivered. The goods are assembled or installed at a site, and the place of supply shall be the place at which installation takes place. I paid the payment. The goods has been sent to different place and it is installed. The place of installation is the place where supply is involved. And the goods are supplied on board and conveyance, including vessels, aircraft, trains, motor vehicles. The place of supply shall be location at which the goods have been taken place on board. Um, train, most train flights, aircraft, and ships where this goods been loaded and been provided to the passengers. Cargo ships, no problem. Cargo ships is end user. It is shipped to somewhere. But in the case of couriers, there is the supply is not the end user at that time. I'm saying that I will take the goods. That is a supply. There is a supply. You can say I'm transport the courier from Delhi to Chennai. Now a person from Kolkata is sending in Delhi to a person to Chennai. Where is supply? Is it Kolkata or Delhi or Chennai? The supply is in Delhi, not in Kolkata, not in Chennai. Supply is in Delhi. Delhi, a person is Delhi is a courier office. I am a person. I am giving goods. I need to send this courier to Chennai. They will charge intrastate or rather than interstate. On determination of place of supply. If a place of supply of goods cannot be determined, the place of supply shall be determined in such a manner as may be prescribed.